Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I show you another unboxing and what I buy from Ants HQ. In this box there is some soil, the water dispenser, the ants, some food, and the ant farm. In this package there is some anti-escape oil, 2 water dispenser, there is 3 type of jelly, and a thermometer with humidity. In this there is another 3 water dispenser for my another ant farm. This is the outside arena or outside world, and this is the nest. And now, step by step, we unpackaged and assembled the ant farm.